Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to mask your email address. If you find this video helpful, then consider subscribing, as it helps the channel out. Now let's begin. So you're going to go to any web browser of your choice, and you're going to type in Simple Login Download, or just Simple Login, then choose the first link which says Simple Login Open Source Anonymous Email Service. Select it. So it says here with email aliases, you can be anonymous online and protect your inbox against spams and phishing. So choose Get Your Aliases for free. And you'll be prompted to create your new account. So you'll enter your real email address at the top here, and then you're going to enter in a password. Afterwards, you're going to have to complete the CAPTCHA to confirm that you're human. Alright, so I have my real email address at the top right. And now we're going to create a custom alias, so whenever we use that alias to receive emails, it's going to redirect those emails to my real email. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on plus new custom alias. So on the right side here, it's going to show you the public domain. And if you don't want to use this domain, you select the drop-down option, then choose another one of your choice. Let's say Osmosis. And then you can enter in an alias prefix here. Let's say hello. Then at the bottom, it's going to ask you to choose your real email address, where you want the emails to go to. Then once you're happy, select Create. So now we're going to copy this new email address and we're going to test it out. So you're going to click to copy. Alright, so the email that we copied is now over here and we are going to compose an email. So in the subject, I'm going to say hello. And remember, this is our fake email. So if we use this email to send all the information to, it's going to relay back to our real email address. So if I select send, and then I check my inbox on my real email, it's going to appear here at the top. So it says there, hello there, hi. Alright, so we used the fake email so that any potential emails that want to come to me are going to be relayed to my real email address. So if I click it up there, you'll see that it has been sent to my fake email. And that is how you can mask your real email address. And there you go.